Hello everyone, my good bud Mike asked me to start this video for him as he is busy in the lab testing new parts and ideas to help further the no prep game. So, welcome to another great video from Sinister Performance, and don't forget to please like and subscribe. Now let's get to the action.
Well, it's Thursday, around 7:30 a.m. Weather is shit again, as per usual here. We did have a nice day the other day, but now it is gray, overcast, and raining. So we're gonna head to our favorite spot and get our breakfast. Hi, can I get a large coffee, please? 2 milk, 1 sugar.
Okay.
And a blueberry muffin.
Yes.
That's everything. Thank you. If you don't start your morning with Tim Hortons, you're definitely not Canadian.
A few moments later.
Oh boy, somebody's here. Somebody's here. Oh, it's not what I wanted. Nope, false alarm. Those parts for one of our builds here. Hopefully something cool's coming today. They've arrived.
What's happening?
Well, this is a big day for us.
You're filming me.
Yeah. Do you care? I'll blur your face up.
I don't really care.
YouTube
I'm not
stuff.
a criminal yet. Oh, that's the problem. No. Oh, this is all for you guys, right? For Mike?
Yes.
What's the big day? What's the big occasion?
They're 2 brand new turbos for my race truck that I've been waiting on.
You're filming them getting delivered.
So I'm filming them getting delivered.
Nice.
It's a big day.
How long have you been waiting for these?
All day today.
Well, I mean, from when you ordered.
We ordered them 3 weeks ago. So this is like Christmas for me today.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
They finally arrived.
Good summer then, right? It'll be done before the end of the summer?
No, tonight.
Oh, it'll be done tonight.
Oh yeah.
That easy?
Oh, it'll be done tonight. Yeah.
It's not that it's that easy, it's that we're that motivated.
Motivated, yeah.
That's the key to this.
That's awesome.
We've been waiting all day for you to arrive, and then I said, it's getting late, maybe it's not coming.
Thanks, Santa.
You're welcome. I'm one of the elves, man. Right? My height, I'm just sent as elf.
Check the box and make me brick.
All right, you guys enjoy.
Thank you.
Cheers, bro. Da-da.
Hey, cut the recording.
Okay.
All right, so we've been waiting all day for these little parcels to arrive from our buddy Nick at True North Turbos. I've been very excited since we've been talking for a couple months now about turbos and how things are going to be so much faster now that we're setting the shop truck up. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's like Christmas. Oh. So here they are. They've arrived. Thank you, Nick, for your prompt shipping. You worked on the weekend to get me my turbos done so we'd be ready for this weekend. Oh, wow. I don't even want to touch them with my dirty hands. Look at those nice wheels. God damn. So, you know what we're doing tonight? Once we're done with this Jeep, we're going to be putting on our brand new True North Turbos. I'm pumped.
We squad up like 20 deep in this. Yeah, that liquor seeping in. We don't stop till weekend ends. We get money, yeah, we eatin' lobster steak. Now we ain't vegan, we ain't stopping. Ain't no reason. It's my time, yeah, it's my season. No.
All right, welcome back to the Chaos Factory, where chaos is our #1 deal. We've got the two ends apart. There's our new turbos. There's our old turbo. We're going Frankenstein green on the new housings to match the heads. Those are our old exhaust housings. There's our new exhaust housings. There's a poor old man, No. Maxwell's on the lookout, seeing if there's any more deliveries coming today. And we got this mess that I've been working on, so slowly we're getting all this apart to mount our new turbos. So let's keep at it.
Yeah, why you so needy? Ay, I gotta keep it 100, my money abundant, my project is funded, my homie is wanted, but he never done it. We came a long way, now we at the summit. Yeah, we squad up like 20 deep in this thing. I pull up in all white ghost, my homie came in the range. We step out, Walker, you know what's up, go straight to the stage. Way we walk and way we talk, they know we don't come to play. No, we don't come to play. Nah, no, we don't come to play. No, nah. No, we don't come to play. Where we walk and where we talk, they know we don't come to play.
Well, we are back. It was a late night last night, but we finally got these turbos installed from our new sponsor, True North Turbos. Now, as you can see, we had to take some more stuff apart. I thought these turbos would be direct bolt-ons from the forced induction solutions ones we had before, but it seems that the compressor wheels are a little bit different. So after installing the compressor covers, we ran into a little bit of an issue. So this pipe here was too long and sticking out like this, because I guess these turbos are a little bit shorter, the compressors are a little bit different, so we had to cut and modify this. And I was hoping to weld on another one of these like we have on the other side down there, but all the ones I have are too small. So for today, because we're trying to race this weekend, went on Amazon, ordered a rubber turbo coupler for now. We'll bolt this on like that, put a rubber coupler to mend the joint, order a new one of these so we can weld them back on, and hopefully it holds together for the weekend and we can try these new turbos out, get some data on them, and give you guys some feedback on them. I decided to go with the Hulk green here because it matches the Frankenstein valve covers we have on the front of the truck, so makes it pop a little bit more. Not so boring, everything black in the back. So we are now waiting on Amazon to bring our rubber couplers, and then we can finish securing that side. I was cleaning out the radiator. We'll put the radiator back in, and then we should be good to go. We'll fire it up and spool these things and see what the difference is. Alrighty, the Amazon guy just left. We've got our clamp and hose, so we've installed that now. Definitely not the way I like doing things, but we want to go racing tomorrow, and in clutch situation, hopefully this rubber boot will hold. So we got that all tied in. We got to throw our rad back in, reconnect all the vacuum lines, and then we can start it up. So let's get at that and then carry on. So we put the new turbos on and we tried spooling them here. So we've got 4 psi in 2.7 seconds. We've got 7 psi in what looks to be 3.4 seconds. And that's what we were commanding with 7 psi. So we got 7 psi, there's 7.1 and 4.6, but technically it's somewhere around here. So 3.4 seconds to spool up to 7 pounds, rear mounts, no nitrous, so not terrible. 3.4 seconds, 7 pounds of boost, definitely faster than the bigger turbos we had before. So definitely looking good.
Nothing to it but to do it, you feel me? This is life. Let's get it. We put blood, sweat, and tears into this. So look, I push that weight to get that dough, but I don't break cause I've been broke. If ain't no pain, then ain't no growth. To keep it 100, I came in to run it and bet if I had to, I'd do it again. It ain't no race if I don't win. Yeah. In spite of the odds, I go get it like I'm a boss. If they step to me, we toss it. Look how I done lost. And that's what keep me on my toes. Ain't no regular Joe, ain't no hanging the gloves on what's ahead, still ain't enough. Pushing kilos like it's weighted repetition, maximum reload. Look, I'm sick with it, legit right off the jump. 24/7 every month. When I say something, make the bass bump, but there ain't none and it can't come. Can't get no sleep when the competition doing the same. So I shed blood to show my pain. Hustle, 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 hard.